Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jazzy61. If you want to see how I got this beautiful, big, curly, flowy, bouncy, ombre style, stay tuned. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Jazzy61. As you guys can tell probably by the title as well as by my glorious mane right now, that this is a hair video. Before I get started, one, if you hear something sounding like someone playing an instrument really badly, it is my little one. My husband thought it was the best idea, which I'm okay with it, to buy him a xylophone. So it's a little one, but he's just walking around just banging on it. So if you hear that sound like something crashing in the background, it's my little one. Next thing is hello, my name is Jazz. If you are new to my channel, I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, and a little bit of beauty here and there, kind of like this video. Beauty on a budget. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a like, a share, a thumbs up. Please pass it around, all that good stuff. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. I post every Monday and Friday at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I changed it up a little bit, you guys, because I'm moving my music over to a different channel. So I'll be posting twice a week here. To my returning subscribers, hello everybody, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more like this, if you want to see different styles. Just let me know. I'll get to it. I promise. Going ahead and getting into this video, you guys, it is sponsored, yay, again. So this video is sponsored by another hair company called Sahm. S-A-I-M-I-S-U. I'm gonna put the name somewhere because I don't like butchering people's names, but they sent me some of their passion twist hair. Now I'm gonna do something a little different with it, you guys, because you guys have seen passion twist a billion times probably, and you know, like to put a little razzle dazzle on my stuff. So we're gonna see what I can do with this hair. It's gonna be different, as I said. It's probably gonna be really big because I like big hair. So yeah, let's get into the specs. All right, you guys. So again, I said this is an Amazon company called Sahm. I'm gonna put the name up again because I can feel myself tearing this apart. The hair itself costs $38.99. You do get 6 packs of this hair. And with taxes and things, it's like 40 bucks, I believe. That includes the shipping and everything. And I said this hair came within 2 days. So of me telling them what I wanted and everything, 2 days later, I received it. So that's exciting. So I said the hair is $40 after taxes, fees, and shipping. So as you guys know, if you go into a regular beauty supply store and you buy some hair like this, it's about $7 to $8. So normally it'll cost you $48 if you go and buy it at your local beauty supply store. So this is actually cheaper, and it includes the taxes and fees and shipping for the exact same amount of hair that you would buy if you were to go and get 6 packs of this hair, or 6 packs of hair similar to this from a local beauty supply store. It will cost you $8 less. So it's still a bargain, it's still a deal, and you don't have to go out in this pandemic. Yeah. So now I'm just going to show you guys what came in this package so you guys can see what it looks like when you order it and receive it. Yeah. All right. So the bag is similar to the other one. And it has, you know, your gifts and things in there. As I said, it comes with 6 packs of hair. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this bag out so it's not really noisy, and then I'll come right back. So in addition to the 6 packs of hair that you receive in this bag, you also receive a tiny little mirror. This is like a handheld mirror, you guys. It does come in handy if you're like trying to braid the back of your head and you want to hold it back there or something like that, or if you just need a little purse mirror. Then they send you some hair jewelry. I probably won't be using it. From what I'm doing, I don't think I will, but that's the hair jewelry. Another crochet hook I'll be using this. I have like 5 or 6 of these and I use them all, and I'll tell you why. When I do hair, sometimes I have hair left over and I'll just slide this in the bag with the extra hair and then I forget where I put it. And then I have to use one of my other ones, which I then find 6 months later, tucked away somewhere. And they also send you 2 clips, which come in handy when you're doing hairstyles like I'm about to do. Just pulling hair out your face, out of the way of your work area, all that good stuff. So here is the card that comes in at you guys. There is the name right there. There's their name, Sahm. The card actually gives you like different directions and things like that on how to do passion twist or any other hairstyle, I guess, for that matter. And just a little bit more information on the hair in general. So now let's talk about this hair. So the hair I ordered, or I picked a T1B30, which is supposed to be kind of like an ombre brown with a little black in there. I thought the top was black and the bottom was just the brown color. I was not correct. So it kind of looks more like a deep brown at the top with streaks of black in there, and then the ends are just a solid 30. Okay, so each little pack comes like this. Because I said there are 6 of them. I keep miscounting. I'm gonna take it out and show you guys what I mean by the color. So it does have like a little mesh net around it. It doesn't really smell bad. It smells like it's been in plastic for a while. Okay, so here is the hair. And you see the ends are really, really bright, or a lot lighter than the top. And I like that it's really, really curly. So this is really good hair for passion twist, you guys, but I think I'm gonna do something different with it. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna put it up close so you guys can kind of get a better view of the hair itself. So this is the top. See what I mean by kind of like a dark brown there, more so than a black. It looks blacker kind of together, but it's more of a brown, like a chocolatey brown color. And then the ends are that 30. Really bright, really pretty color 30. It's nice looking hair. I think there are, if I'm correct, 22 pieces in each little bundle of hair, depending on if you are doing passion twist or if you're going to do what I do. That really would determine how many twists you could have, or if you're doing thinner twists. I see people sometimes do it with 1 piece of this hair. Some people do it with a couple pieces, and I've actually seen people split the pieces and do them smaller. So it really just kind of all depends on what size you would like, or if you're going to do something different with how you can work with this hair. This end here, you guys, is actually going to be crocheted up into the braid it's attached to, whether it be this one or the one beside it. I am going to show you guys my braids. I did 12 at the front and just 6 braids at the back. Everything is straight back. I normally don't do anything extra unless I'm using certain types of hair and I want my hair to fall like this. But when I think I'm going to make the hair a little bit fuller, I tend to just go straight back with it.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so I am 1 pack in. Here is the ends and what they look like right now. There are pieces just because of how I'm doing the back. I'm probably going to change it at the front just a little bit. It won't be the same kind of ombre pattern, I guess you could say. It will be up to a point, and then I'm going to do something different in the middle. So here I am. Like I said, this is 1 pack. It comes about midway down my back. And it's actually really pretty so far. So I'm going to finish this. What are you doing, Booger? I'm going to finish this and then I'll come back in a second and show you guys what I mean by the top. Alright guys, so here we are at the top. I'm just going to show you guys how I installed this hair to keep the ombre. I cut the hair in half and then I split it once. I did this for each individual piece, and you only get 2 pieces out of 1 section of hair, you guys. So once you split it, you take the 2 pieces that match, so you put the dark ends back together. That's how you keep the ombre, and that's the end you hook onto the crochet hook. And then I did 1 loop, and then I pulled it in the middle, like split it in half and pulled half of it through the loop, and then I did 1 knot, and that's how I'm keeping the hair secured. I'm going to show you guys that one more time. So I'm going to take the other half of that piece I just used, run my hands down it, pull it apart, match the 2 dark ends, put that part on the crochet hook, pull it through, do one loop, twist it to the second loop, pull half through, and then tie a knot. And that's it. I was going to do something different at the top, but I decided not to, just because I wanted to keep the ombre. And I realized once you got to the top, this hair is kind of really big, so you don't really notice anyway. If there's knots or anything, you can't see them. So here I'm just taking the hair down to kind of observe and see what I have to work with when I start my cutting process, which I'm going to start here shortly. As you can see, it looks kind of crazy because I was doing the back a lot longer, and then I decided to go shorter and kind of do it the way I wanted, or the lengths that I wanted, moving towards the top. So here I am just starting to trim it all down. I do go down and kind of try to shape it to my face, you guys. I don't know how to explain how I cut. I just kind of cut downward, and I do not pull too much. Yes, this hair is curly, so if you pull it and cut it, it can pop back way shorter than you anticipated. So I tend to not cut as much because you can always trim down some more, but you can't put the hair back in there. Well, you can, but it's a process you don't want to go through. All right, everyone, so here is the final look with this hair. I did retain a little bit of the length at the back, not a whole lot of it, because it came down way too low. It was gonna be way too hot for that much hair. So I did cut it back quite a bit. I ended up using 4 packs and a piece of the 5th pack, like 2 pieces out of that 5th pack. Well, it comes with 6 packs, so this is plenty of hair if you yeah, noticed. It's quite a bit of hair, but I actually love it. As I said, they have a variety of colors, you guys. And if you want to try this hair, I'll leave the link below this video so you guys can give it a try if you'd like to yourself. Quick shipping. The hair smells great because sometimes they smell really awkward. It's really bouncy, really flowy. You can do a lot of different styles with this hair. I just wanted to try something different myself. So this is what I did that's a little bit different. As you guys know, I like my hair really big, so it fits me quite well. Other than that, I don't think there's much else. Oh, I did show you guys how to do the hair, how I pull it apart and everything. That gives you the chance to elongate it the way you want to, but still keep the roots darker than the ends. That way you kind of still keep that ombre. That's why I was cutting it and putting it together so that the roots would stay as dark as they are. You guys can see they're kind of dark. So otherwise, I like it. I hope you guys like it too. If you do, give it a like, a share. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you like this hair. If you think you're gonna try this hair, I hope you guys do. It's actually quite fun and it looks good up as well. So I'm gonna do a video to show you guys different styles to wear this hair in, because I wore it up last night and you guys, I loved it. I was surprised at how much I liked it up. So again, thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I really love it if you join the family. And if you are subscribed, thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. I post every Monday and Friday now at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So please be on the lookout for my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.